Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video we are celebrating Trinity Stamp's latest release, and I used this new beautiful pumpkin shaped card and it's just adorable. I cut a base out of some white heavy cardstock and then I cut the layering piece here out of some orange paper, and then I cut the face for the jack-o'-lantern out, and then I will cut this piece one more time out of some black cardstock so you can see it here. But before I did that, I wanted to turn this into a shaker, and this card went super fast. I just want to point that out. So this is really a fun one if you don't have a lot of time. And then I used some foam from my stash. Trinity has a beautiful foam and I need to stock up on some more of that, but I used what I had in my stash. You can see this is a little bit wider than Trinity's, and I think I will had to pick up a couple of more of those thinner one because I really like those, but this worked out fine. And then you can see I put the black piece like a lid on top of my beads here, and this is a new embellishment pack that I will have listed down below for you if you'd like to check it out. I love all of the Halloween colors in those beads, and I put the upper part of my pumpkin here with some green cardstock. I could have done some shading, but I didn't. I like the simplicity of this. And then I picked out a couple of beads from my stash and just some chain, I believe you can call it, and I will just create a little teeny tiny embellishment for my project today. And please don't judge me for my sort of skills here. This is probably the first time ever that I am doing this, especially on camera. I have been playing around with some jewelry making offside, but just for fun and just for embellishment on projects and bags and stuff like that. So nothing serious. So I just picked what I had in my stash and this is what I came up with. And I thought orange and purple would go nicely as Halloween accents for my pumpkin. So you can see here I'm just having those like this, and then I'm just twisting it around my tool. I know you can do a lot more fancy wrapping of beads, but this is what I did. And I also had some embellishments in my stash, and I created that one as well. I don't think that ended up on my project, but I just wanted to share. And here I'm just twisting this apart, and then I'm locking it together, and then I keep going like this. It is super fast, you guys. If I can do this, it's literally I done this a couple of times off camera, but that's it. So if I can do this, you can do it. And the tweezers really help. And I have my chain here that I am putting everything into, and I am putting my dangle or whatever it's called at the bottom. And I ended up not using that black star in the end. I thought it looked too heavy for my little pumpkin, but this is pretty much what I did. And then I also stamped a sentiment, and this is from the new Simply Sentimental Halloween pack, and I stamped that, and then I created a tag from one of Trinity's older tag sets, and then I had some gold ribbon, and I will tuck these underneath so the card can still open up as it should. So I'm just tucking it between my foam tape. Hope that makes sense, so that I can have it like this. And then I will have my little embellishment at the top. You can see here it's time for that. I'm just playing around with it, and you can see the black star is gone. We are just having our beads here, and then I'm tucking it, and then I'm just wrapping this one more time, and then a little bow to the top, and then we have our first project finished. So that is it. We have our card ready. And then I wanted to share a bonus like make with you before you move on to the second person in this or the next person in this hop. And for my bonus project for today, I'm using the pumpkin candy bucket, and this is a product that I really like, and Trinity has been having a previous sort of something that looked like this in the past, and I know it was really popular, so I was like really happy to see it back, and I believe it's a lot of changes from the one that was in the past, but the feel of it is pretty much the same. So you can see the candy here in the bucket, and I'm just tucking all of those in front and to the back of my bucket here, and I will turn this into a bookmark in a second. So you can see here I'm just playing around with the placement of all of these, and when I'm happy with it, I am going to let this sit and rest for an hour or so, just to make everything really stay down. And I also went in with some Copic markers just to color some shadow pieces for some of the candies. I just thought it looked a little bit too flat. And then I took a scrap piece of paper and a magnet sheet that I'm cutting a piece out of, and I'm just laying them on top of each other so I can have them. You can see our piece here. So I cut my paper down, and then we have the mechanism for our bookmark, and then I created a second piece just to make it a little bit prettier. And then we have the magnet between, and I'm just closing it together, and it will close on itself. I hope that makes sense. So I'm having a book here, and if I'm pulling out a page, you can see here that the candy will stick up, and I just think that is super cute. And it's not pretty on the back, you can make it all pretty as you want, but I just wanted to share this bonus project with you because I think it was a cute idea and something you probably can put in like the trick-or-treaters when they come visit you. So I just thought that was cute. So that's it. That is my 2 projects for this hop, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired and maybe want to create something or go check out the release. And as I said, I will have links down below for the next person in this video hop. And thank you so much for stopping by. Bye!